So currently I'm a first-year emergency medicine resident at Carolinas Medical Center. It's the 6th largest trauma center in the US, and it's a very, very busy hospital. I feel that ScribeAmerica prepared me really well for residency, in that I got used to seeing a high volume of patients with the physician. I kind of learned their unique styles and picked up a lot of good habits from them in regards to not only documentation, but just bedside manner, how to be efficient when moving from room to room, communication with the nurses, etc. The advice I would give to anyone who's looking into becoming a scribe is that it's the ultimate clinical experience that you can get before medical school, dental school, nursing school, any type of medical career, because you really get to be a shadow of a physician assistant, a nurse practitioner, any provider that works in the emergency department. When I was a scribe, it was the first time that I felt like I was actually part of the medical team, like my job or my presence actually made a difference. It's funny because working in Scribe long enough, you start to see providers that become really reliant on scribes, in that they know that they can see more patients because they don't have to get bogged down with documentation. In that aspect, in that sense, you really are an important part of the medical team, and you really do help the provider provide better patient care. If I were to do this again, I think the only thing I probably would have changed is maybe, surprisingly, staying on with ScribeAmerica for another year and seeing if they would have considered me for like a traveling position. I had a couple friends who I worked with that did exactly that. They put off their med school application or PA applications or whatever, and decided to take a traveling job where they would go around and set up different scribe programs in other ERs around the US. I think that would have been a really cool experience. I got to do some of that while I was in medical school. During my 4th year, I did some traveling rotations, and I really enjoyed it, just seeing other places. So I think maybe as a scribe that would have been a lot of fun too. So I think if I had to change anything, that maybe I would have stayed on a little longer and did some traveling, but I had a great experience with ScribeAmerica, and I don't think I would have changed anything in retrospect.